This fantastic 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a reliable 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the control of 4-wheel drive. This 4-door crew cab truck has comfortable seats, only 45,584 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with 4 ventilated disc brakes, both driver and passenger side front airbags with integrated multi-stage deployment system and complex surface lens, halogen bulb headlights. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.